In Module 5, Lesson 16, we're going to construct nets by making sure that we can identify the dimensions of each of the sides of that 3D figure. So you'll be asked throughout this lesson to sketch a lot of the faces of a 3D object. So from this object, you should be able to draw, and you should do this on some kind of graph paper. You should be able to draw the 3 different dimension faces. There is the bottom and the top, which are both 3 by 8, shown on the far left. Then there are these 2 sides, which are 3 by 5. And then there are the front and back faces, which are 5 by 8. After these are drawn, then you would need to piece them together in a way that would allow them to fold into that 3D figure. The arrangement is as important as the dimensions. In the exercises, there are a variety of different prisms with different dimensions, and your goal then is to take those prisms and draw the net for them. So one possible configuration for the net of this rectangular prism is shown to the right. There are other ways to draw the net, but most importantly, you need to know that if you were to cut it out and fold it, it would become this 3D figure. So if you're in doubt, you might want to take a separate sheet of paper, draw it, cut it out, and see if it folds. The second shape is a juice box. After you try your net, take a look at the net that I have posted for you here. And again, there are other arrangements, but most importantly, you need to have 6 faces, and you need to have 2 each of the different dimensions available. For example, you can't have 3 sides that are 2 by 4, one side that's 3 by 4, and 2 sides that are 2 by 3. That's not the way a rectangular prism is arranged. Next, we'll look at triangular prisms. And in a triangular prism, you're going to have 2 triangular sides and 3 rectangular sides. So draw what you think your net is. And then check one possible arrangement, keeping in mind that you're going to have 2 rectangular pieces that will have the same measurement and 2 triangular and 3 rectangular pieces. These rectangular pieces would be the lateral area, that's the sides, and the 2 triangles would be the bases. Next, we'll look at pyramids. So the net of our pyramid shows one base, and this particular one is a square pyramid, and then 4 sides that are triangles that come up. And our final net is a triangular pyramid, so that its base is a triangle, and all 3 sides are also triangles. All the lateral sides of a pyramid are triangles, so that they can come to a point at the top. This triangular pyramid has equilateral triangles for all of its faces, so it is called a tetrahedron.